Here are 10 signs that your kidneys might not be working well. Sometimes we're so busy with our daily lives that we forget our bodies are always working hard to keep us alive. When something is wrong, your body sends signals for help. It's important not to ignore these signals, as the consequences can be serious. In this video, you have a list of 10 signs that suggest your kidneys might not be working properly. Take care of your bean-shaped organs by watching the video until the end. This way, you can find out if your kidneys are doing okay. The number one change in urination is important to pay attention to. Let's first understand what the kidneys do. They act like a garbage collector for the body, removing toxins through urine. If the kidneys aren't working well, those harmful toxins stay in the body and blood. Your kidneys make urine to get rid of waste from your body. Even though it may seem gross, it's crucial to notice any differences in how often you pee, the smell, color, and how it looks. There are 3 main types of changes to be aware of. First, if you feel like you need to pee more, especially at night, it's usually normal to go 4 to 10 times a day. Second, if you see blood in your urine, that's not normal and needs attention. Healthy kidneys should filter waste without letting blood cells get into the urine. Lastly, if your urine has bubbles, especially ones that make you flush multiple times to make them go away, that could mean there's unwanted protein in your urine. Keep an eye out for these changes to help take care of your kidneys. The second sign to watch out for is high blood pressure. Your circulatory system and kidneys work closely together. Think of them like a team. If one is not doing well, the other is affected. The kidneys have tiny filters called nephrons that remove waste and extra fluids from the blood. When blood vessels are damaged, these filters can't get enough oxygen and nutrients. That's why high blood pressure is the second most common reason for kidney failure. To take care of your kidneys and prevent failure, it's important to manage your high blood pressure. One way to do this is by adding foods rich in folic acid to your diet. Folic acid helps in making red blood cells and can prevent anemia. Foods with folic acid include leafy greens, citrus fruits, cereals, rice, and pasta. So by eating these foods, you can help keep your blood pressure in check and protect your kidneys. The third sign to be aware of is puffy eyes. Having puffy eyes early on could indicate kidney problems. When the kidneys are not working well, they might release too much protein into the urine instead of keeping it where it should be in the body. This extra protein can cause puffiness around the eyes. If you are sure that you are getting enough rest and sleep, and you haven't been crying because of a sad movie scene, but you still notice puffiness around your eyes, it's essential to see a doctor. Schedule an appointment to discuss this with your doctor and make sure everything is okay with your kidneys. The fourth sign is back pain, and it's not surprising because your kidneys are located in your back. Kidney-related back pain is usually deep and under your rib cage. Sometimes people may feel pain in the front of the groin or hip area. Back and leg pain could be caused by kidney cysts, which are large sacs filled with fluid that form on the kidneys due to a condition called polycystic kidney disease. If you're feeling back pain, especially if it's accompanied by high temperature, vomiting, and frequent urination, it could be related to kidney problems. However, if you don't have these symptoms, your back pain might be from something else. Regular back pain not connected to the kidneys is usually more focused and happens suddenly without a fever. If you often experience back pain and painkillers don't help, it's important to see your doctor to figure out the cause and get proper care. The fifth sign is swelling in the ankles, feet, and hands. When your kidneys are not doing their job properly, they can't remove extra fluid from your body. This extra fluid can lead to sodium retention, causing swelling in your ankles, feet, and hands. Swelling in these areas might also indicate problems with your heart, liver, or veins in your legs. Sometimes taking medication that helps remove excess fluid can stop the swelling. However, it's crucial to consult a specialist before buying such medications. Kidney problems are serious and you don't want to add any unexpected side effects. Taking medicine without your doctor's prescription can also make it harder for them to figure out what's wrong because it might hide the symptoms they need to see for the right diagnosis. So always talk to your doctor before trying any new medications. The sixth sign is shortness of breath, and it might be surprising, but there's a link between kidney disease and feeling like you can't breathe easily. 2 main factors contribute to this. First, when the kidneys can't remove extra fluid properly, it can move into the lungs, making it harder to breathe. Second, if you have anemia, which is a condition where your body lacks enough oxygen, it can also lead to shortness of breath. Although kidney failure is one reason for shortness of breath, there are other causes like asthma, lung cancer, or heart failure. So if you find it hard to catch your breath, it doesn't necessarily mean you have kidney problems. Maybe you just need to move around more and cut down on unhealthy snacks. But if you notice constant shortness of breath, even after simple tasks like walking to the kitchen or feeding your dog, it's important to call your doctor right away. The seventh sign is bad breath and a metallic taste in the mouth. When there's too much waste in the blood, it creates a strange metallic taste in your mouth, affecting how your food tastes. Most of us prefer our food to taste amazingly good, not metallic. Bad breath is another sign that there are too many toxins and contaminants in the bloodstream. Unfortunately, mints like Tic Tacs may not solve this problem. Another risk is that the high level of toxins can make people lose their appetite, especially for meat, leading to unhealthy weight loss. It's important to note that there are various reasons why food might taste metallic, from allergies to poor oral health. Normally, the metallic taste should go away if the assumed cause is addressed. However, if the taste continues, it's important to contact your doctor. The eighth sign is dry, itchy skin. Healthy kidneys do a lot of important work, like removing waste, extra fluid, producing red blood cells, and keeping the right balance of minerals in your body. If your skin is dry and itchy, it could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to maintain this balance of minerals and nutrients. This deficiency can lead to bone disease, and nobody wants that. If you have dry and itchy skin, it's a good idea to stay hydrated. Don't try any medications for itching without talking to your doctor first. Some medications may have ingredients that could potentially harm your kidneys even more, so it's essential to get professional advice before taking any steps. The ninth sign is trouble sleeping. If the kidneys aren't working well, the harmful toxins stay in the body and blood. When there are too many toxins, it becomes really tough to fall asleep. So, if you're having trouble sleeping, it could be a signal of kidney problems. Of course, if you had an exciting day or drank more coffee than usual, it's normal to struggle with sleep. But if nothing in your routine has changed and you find yourself in bed counting sheep without much success, it might be a good idea to have your kidneys checked. By the way, people with chronic kidney disease often experience sleep apnea, a condition where they momentarily stop breathing while sleeping. It's only for a few seconds and then normal breathing returns with a loud snort. It can be a bit scary, so if you or someone you know is a heavy snorer, it might be time to see a doctor. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms before? How did you handle them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. It's important for everyone to know how to take care of their kidneys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join us for more useful information.